Let's look at arranged marriages versus love marriages. In one of my previous short audio video, I have posted on the basic concept of how a marriage can work with the principle of interdependency. In arranged marriages, which is slowly becoming an old-fashioned kind of a situation, basically the elders who are taking care of the responsibility based on their priorities or requirements, be it financial security or job security, related to various social factors. Basically it is more related to social factors. When it comes to love marriages, there are kind of attractions to infatuations to a mature kind of love, and sometimes it is also kind of a westernized live-in kind of relationships that we are seeing in growing or developing countries like India, where they are trying to be comfortable and get to know each other at a very personal level, almost living like a couple. So in either way, whether it's an arranged or it's an love marriage, here we are mainly looking at different aspects. Arranged marriages, while basically looking at social comforts and social prestige and security kind of concerns, there is no way that to know about the personality of the bride or the groom, and a little bit of enquiring that some of them try to do, but it is only the social behavior or the family environment to some extent, but the integrally inside the house, how their family environment is, no one can kind of find out unless until someone very closely living with them, who usually don't reveal those kind of details. So the final kind of summing up is looking at the basic psychological factor of interdependency, where the functions that are based on the needs, your psychological needs, like I explained. Who can look at the previous audio can look at it. I have explained it in detail, so I am not repeating here. The interdependency factor is a major factor that we have to look at as a basic crux, irrespective of whether it is an arranged marriage or love marriage. Hope this would have given you a little bit of idea of how a relationship works, especially a long-term relationship, where there are going to be difficulties, there are going to be ups and downs, but it's worth the process rather than looking at it or scaring that it is going to be like that or it might happen like how it happened with others. So look at the process rather than looking at the goal. Thank you.